Good morning. How are you today? I hope you're okay, staying home and safe. This lesson is one of the series on writing mechanics. Before we studied how to use apostrophes. In the previous lesson, we studied how to use parentheses, and today we're going to know how to use brackets. And of course, there's a big difference between brackets and parentheses. Let's have a look. Brackets are used to enclose a word or phrase added by a writer to the words of another writer. So if you're taking someone's quote and you want to add your own words to clarify something, explain something, to add any piece of information, your words must be put into brackets. Again, if you're quoting someone's words and you want to write something in this quote, you want to write your own words, your own explanation, your words must be put into brackets, like here. Jesus said, I can't believe that he is here. Of course, what Lisa actually said, can't believe that he's here. So the person who took this quote wanted to make it clearer. So he added I and added the name of the person, which Lisa is talking about, which is Brad Pitt. So he said, I can't believe that Brad Pitt, is here. But what Lisa actually said is the white part. Can't believe that he's here. Again, when this person took Lisa's quote and wanted to add some parts to make it clearer, he put them into brackets like this. Again, John's wrote, he cannot take them from the farmers. These are John's words. So the person who took this quote wanted to clarify what this pronoun them refers to. So he added the chickens. So this part in brackets is not John's words. Okay? It's added by someone who took this quote and wanted to make it clearer. So again, the main usage of brackets is when you're quoting someone's words and you want to add something, you want to add your own words or your own explanation to this part. This is the first usage. The second one, if you're quoting someone's words and there is a mistake in this quote, you have to add SIC, S-I-C, between brackets to show the readers that there is a mistake in this part. So again, SIG or SIC is not a part of the original code. It's just a sign that you put to tell the reader that there is a mistake here. Of course, there is a mistake. Dolphins this is a mistake. This is a grammatical mistake. So the person who took this code, the person who took Robert's words, found a mistake, and he wanted to warn the readers that there is a mistake here by adding this part, which is SIC between two brackets. Okay, again, the student wrote, I don't want to talk about the principal cause of my attitude. Of course, this is a spelling mistake. So again, the one who took this code wanted to tell the readers that there is a mistake here. So he added SIC between brackets. Okay, should I correct the mistake? No, you should not. You just put this sign, you just put this sign, which means that there is a mistake here. You're not allowed to correct the mistake. You just show the readers, you highlight here that there is a mistake, either here or here, using this SIC between two brackets. Those are the two main usages of brackets. And we can see they are completely different from what we studied before about using parentheses. Can we just go back and remember this together? Okay, let's go. Parentheses are mainly used to add additional information, non-essential information, as we said in the previous lesson. We can also use them to add dates or any referential information like pages of a book or something, like dates of birth and death of someone. We use them to put numbers like 1, 2, 3, or even letters A, B, C to enumerate the list. We use them with acronyms, and we said the differences between parentheses and commas because both surround the non-essential information. If the non-essential information is a little bit important, use commas. If it's not important, use parentheses. And remember, always remember this, in both cases, this part is non-essential. Periods, we said we usually add periods after or outside the parentheses if this part is a part of a sentence, but if what comes in the parentheses is a complete sentence, we use the period inside. For today, for brackets, we only have two cases. If you add your own words to a quote, put your own words in brackets, and if there is a mistake in a quote, just write SIC between two brackets without correcting the mistake, to show the readers that there is a mistake in this one. Let's do some practice together. My sister exclaimed, "The package is finally here." What do you expect? Where do you expect the brackets to be put? The writer wrote, "I have his SIC enough for your attitude." Think carefully. Number 3, we saw him, Gray's brother, at the cafe yesterday. Should we put the brackets here? Caraway mentions that she, Myrtle, carried her surplus flesh sensuously. Or should we add the brackets here? Number 5, I'm surprised to see you, to Alan and Amy in class. Professor Joe. I'm not going to put the answers in this video. You will find the answers in the presentation that I will attach with the video. That's the end of it. See you in another lesson.